Hello everyone, I am back with another video. This is a microbiology second video. I will be discussing with you today about the plasmodium life cycle, and I will be showing you images, how the cycle flows through in order, female to male, and more. This first picture is the illustration of the plasmodium life cycle. This is picture number 2. Plasmodium life cycle will be described as my assignment. What causes this disease to happen? Plasmodium. It is the protozoan that causes malaria. It has a complicated life cycle with both asexual and sexual reproduction. When a mosquito carrying the parasite bites a person, the asexual cycle begins. The parasite then enters the circulation and makes its way to the liver to multiply. The parasites eventually leave the liver and enter the circulation, where they infect the red blood cells. The parasites then proliferate inside the red blood cells and rupture them. This causes more parasites to enter the circulation and infect more red blood cells. The cycle then repeats again, resulting in symptoms such as fever, chills, and weirdness. Malaria may be lethal if left untreated. When two parasites of opposing sexes meet within a red blood cell, the sexual cycle begins. They then unite to produce a zygote, which grows into an oocyte. The oocyte then enters into the red blood cell wall and develops into an oocyte. After that, the oocyte produces sporocytes, which infect new red blood cells. Stages in the definite host. The parasite's life cycle begins when a human is bitten by a mosquito carrying the parasite that causes malaria. Plasmodium parasites enter the circulation and go to the liver, where they mature and begin to multiply. The parasites depart the liver and enter the circulation, where they infect red blood cells after roughly a week. This procedure might take up to 2 weeks to complete. The parasites proliferate within the red blood cells, causing the cells to rupture and release more parasites into the bloodstream. The cycle continues with the parasites infecting more red blood cells and afflicted person developing an increasing number of symptoms. Stages in the determinate host. Plasmodium parasites enter the circulation and go to the liver, where they mature and begin to multiply. The parasites depart the liver and enter the circulation, where they infect red blood cells after roughly a week. This procedure might take up to 2 weeks to complete. Signs and symptoms of disease. Fever, chills, sweating, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and headache are some of the indications and symptoms of plasmodium illnesses. Furthermore, the condition can cause anemia, organ damage, and even death. How the parasite causes the signs and symptoms? The parasite causes the signs and symptoms by infecting red blood cells, which then burst open and enable new parasites to enter the bloodstream.